Are you sitting here with your mas? Oh, those are some nice mas you got. Oh, be careful you're gonna fall off the chair. What are you trying to do? Oh, are you sitting on the ma? Here, hug a ma. Oh, yeah, when they're in your way. Here we go. You want this, ma? Give the ma a hug. Oh, that's nice. Can you give her a kiss? Mwah. Give the ma a kiss. Oh, that's so nice. Do you love a mas? Do you love your mas? Oh, another kiss for the ma? What about this one? Give that ma a kiss. Oh, give the ma a kiss. Oh, you're such a good mama. You're a good mama. Uh-oh. You pulled his hat off. Now his head is naked. Uh-oh. Yeah, you try to put his hat back on. Let me see if you can do it. That's a hat. That's right. Can you do it? Uh-oh. Now be careful. You're being silly. Yeah. What's that all about? What's the matter? Your moms have taken up all your seat here, Vee. So hard being a ma of so many, huh? Having so many mas to take care of. What are you doing? Oh, hat? Oh, I don't think it fits on your head. The hat's too small. Oh. Oh, nice. Veronica, you look beautiful. Oh, it fell off. Put it back on. Here, let me see. I like it. Oh, so beautiful.
Boom.
Boom. Did it fall?
Boom.
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 You are silly.